Hello, my name is Leonidas M. Natanian, founder at Bar.io. At Bar.io, we strive to make real estate accessible for everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to identify the best neighborhoods in any real estate market, even those markets that you may not be very familiar with. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm going to use Redfin to search for a neighborhood that I may not be very familiar with to identify the best neighborhoods in any geographic area. In today's video, I'm going to search for the best neighborhood in, say, Oklahoma City. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Oklahoma City. And the first thing I like to do is remove the outline on the map so I could see a clear picture of where all of the listings are located. One of the other things I like to do is look at the data that's presented to me on Redfin. On Redfin, if you scroll to the bottom of the listings, it shows you the average price of the listings on the map. And in this case, it's about approximately $300,000, as well as I like to just take a mental note of the price per square footage. This might be good information for use later. Next, I'm going to try to find the best neighborhood in this real estate market that I am not familiar with. So the first step is to identify what constitutes a good neighborhood. Typically speaking, the better neighborhoods are more pricey than the not so great neighborhoods. So we are going to look at the homes that are the priciest in the given geographic area. And to do so, I'm going to use the filters. Redfin gives us a nice little visual and a slider that shows us a distribution of home prices on a given geographic area, or the listings that are displayed on the map. In this case, we're going to move the slider up such that we pass the bulk of the homes or the average home prices. So it looks like it's approximately $700,000 in this case. Now we are going to say see these homes. One thing that I immediately notice on the map is that there are several listings across the entire geographic area, and this is expected. What we are looking out for, though, is a concentration of them, multiple homes in a really dense area. And the area that pops to my visual sight is this area right over here. While there's a lot of million-dollar homes here, it's a little bit farther spread out. It could just be, it means that they're larger properties. But typically speaking, if all of the properties adjacent to one another are multi-million dollar properties, that's typically the better neighborhood. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this little area, and I'm going to use that same logic and notice that this area up here has a nice little concentration. This area is slightly more sporadic, and given the fact that it is seems like the city center, it's not completely unexpected that city centers are typically a little bit more dense and therefore more expensive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate a little bit in this area here because it seems to me that this little enclave over here is probably one of the best neighborhoods. And to verify that, what I could do is just simply ask all of the viewers on this video to tell me, is this area, which seems to be called Nichols Hills, the better neighborhood in the Oklahoma City region? And that is how I go about identifying the best neighborhoods in any real estate market. I hope that was helpful to you. Please do subscribe for future videos and do visit our website at https://bar.io. Thank you.